What's going on, folks? This was a little video where, I'm going to just show you the setup, what I have. I have actually a Pac Bay rod wrapper, Pacific Bay. I think they're all made by American Tackle pretty much. I have the standard chuck that comes with it. They do have an upgrade. I have 3 what we call steady rests. And basically I leave the split apart. It is split in 2 pieces, but I use 2 clamps and a steel rod in case I just need to break it apart quickly, because sometimes using the joining clips you have to unscrew them if you need to do a longer rod. So I use a steel bar and 2 or 4 clamps to keep everything together. I have a very tight setup in my shop. I don't have a lot of room. I basically have one rod dryer on the wall, which is set up like that, and then I use a magnet strip with arms I made, for the blank. So I dry up there. I can also dry on with the wrapper, the rod wrapper. There's a drying motor here that you can switch the belt over to. You don't have to get too complicated. I could show you basically was my first setup. Was basically this. They're actually caster wheels for, I believe, for chairs. These actually did swivel, but I did weld them together. I made them fixed. But you could buy them fixed and not swivel, and I basically put them on a piece of aluminum with a cutout. You could do that in wood. You could do this all in wood. It fits on a track like this, and then the rod can rest in between here. And then I have the thread holder too, which I made out of this. Which this all could be made in wood. There's plans on the internet. I'm going to see if I can find a set and put them up in the links, but it's all pretty simple. You could look up a picture on the web. If you're somewhat handy in wood, they're easy to make in wood. Just make sure that when you do the part that holds the rod, that you have some kind of protection in it. I could show you. So these were the ones I made up for the rod dryer. They attach to magnetized something, a magnet strip that I have mounted on the wall. So I have a steel plate on it, piece of oak, little V-notch, some felt on it, and it does an awesome job. So that's basically the area. I'm in a real small area. My shop is, maybe 7 feet by 20 feet, which, I have to combine with all my other tools in my workshop and 1 or 2 other hobbies. So, but this is the main one.